New data from a Toronto-based research company showing GTA neighborhoods where people are getting tested for COVID-19 and coming back positive at alarming rates. The areas in question aren't necessarily a surprise, but it has more people calling for more to be done. From the outset of the pandemic, the neighborhoods in the northwest corner of Toronto have actually been at the center of it all.
Yeah, I mean, I think they tell a story that there's it's not evenly distributed, that the transmission is happening more in certain areas than others.
The latest data put together by ICES, an independent research group, highlighted 30 GTA neighborhoods with the highest positivity percentage during the first week of November. 14 Toronto communities made the list. They're located in North York, Scarborough, Etobicoke, East York, and the Old City of York. Among them, the Black Creek and Jane Finch area, with a test positivity rate at 14.9%. In comparison, Toronto as a whole is at 5.9%.
This community also has high rates of poverty, high rates of chronic disease, just lack of access in general, and unfortunately it just leads to poorer health outcomes.
High positivity rates can indicate a high number of cases, but also a low number of tests. According to ICES, testing rates have been consistently lower in neighborhoods with more ethnic diversity.
So people still need to, that they need to go to work, or they need to, there's family commitments, there's other, commitments that they need to live up to, and that's what happens. It's really regrettable.
Is there anything more that you think can be done on a local level?
They need to bring in more boots on the ground to do the follow-up, to do the sort of the contact tracing work.
The City of Toronto announced it had opened a self-isolation center in September in an unoccupied hotel building in a low-density area. Pop-up testing centers have been rolled out more frequently as well. Those crunching the numbers, though, say it's still not enough.
And I think we can't take just like a one-size-fits-all approach to this. I think we need to have more targeted interventions to really support. Like, we have to ask, why is it that the percent positivity is so high in these areas, and what can we do to help prevent the transmission in these areas?
One of those pop-up centers near Jane Finch last weekend saw 80 people come through and get tested. Another one is scheduled for this Thursday at this community center near Islington and Finch. Mark McAllister, City News.